HDMI mirroring demo on the Chevy Cruze years 2016 to 2019 as shown on the Chevy Sonic. The Sonic and the Cruze have identical screens. This is a two-part video. Part 1 is product demonstration, followed by Part 2, which is vehicle disassembly and product installation. NavTool, established in 2002. See description below video for product information. Must expand the description section if watching this video on a mobile device. This interface does not replace the factory radio or the factory screen. This interface enhances the factory screen with features like HDMI smartphone mirroring. All factory features work the same as before. This interface is see-through, meaning the vehicle does not detect that the interface is installed in the car. All NavTool products are 100% designed and manufactured in the USA. Please support American jobs. Part 1, Product Demonstration.
This is the operation of the interface. In order to bring on the picture of the smartphone to the car screen, you need to use the button on the steering wheel. The button that we use is this button right here. It's a mute hang-up button. Hold it for 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. And the image will come on the screen, so you will have your smartphone mirroring on the screen. And then if you want to deactivate it, do the same thing. 1001, 1002, 1003, and it goes back. Alright. Now, in order to hear audio from your source, you go into your audio settings and you have to have the radio set to auxiliary. Set the radio to auxiliary, and now, as we showed you previously, press and hold the button for 3 seconds. Now you're going to have your smartphone on the screen. So the smartphone displays just like you see it on the phone. So if it's like this, you see it like that. If the phone is like this, you will see the other way. However, only the Plus XS models of Android can turn. There are 2 ways to mirror the phone. You can do it wirelessly or with the USB cable, the same cable that you charge your phone. Only Android can be done wirelessly and not with the wire. iPhone can be done both ways, wireless and with the wire. I prefer the wire because you nicely route the wire through the center console into your armrest. And when it's routed in there, it also charges the phone. So it's like 100% original. You don't have to worry about charging your phone separately. It charges and mirrors at the same time. Mirroring is self-explanatory. What you see on the phone screen, you see on the car screen. So basically everything is duplicated. Alright, let's show you a few apps.
Go.
So we're going to show you basically mirroring of YouTube, which is the most common application. So YouTube, obviously, as we turn the screen, it's going to go into the full screen mode. And the new iPhones, watch this. You see how the screen shows? If you want to do full screen, you zoom out, zoom in. This is your volume.
Alpha Centauri, at a distance of 4.4 light years from Earth.
So basically, this is mirroring. There's nothing much more to show. It is exactly whatever you see on the car screen. On the phone screen, you see exact same copy on the car screen. Now you can also use this for other things, but most people use it for video because you already have your Apple Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. The only thing that we're gonna use this is for pretty much mirroring of YouTube videos and stuff like that. As you can see, it is just like whatever you see on the phone, you see on the car screen. And this is mirroring. Again, you can mirror iPhone or Android devices, and you can mirror basically with a cable for iPhone or wireless, and Android wireless only.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the link in the lower left or click the link on the right hand side to watch the full video.